Hello students, a very good morning to all. Today in this video we will understand how can we establish a dial-up connection to your personal computer. So first we will know about what is the means of dial-up. So the dial-up connection, it is a user needs to link his telephone line to the computer through a modem. So here I have downloaded some images. So this images to guide you the dial-up connection. So here this is the computer and this computer send the message to the modem. So computer has sent the message via analog signal and this modem has converted the analog signal to a digital signal and this is the telephone line. So the digital signal send the message through the digital signal via phone line and this phone line has carried the message to the ISP server. So this is the ISP server and this ISP server send the message to the internet या satellite. After that fetch the result from the satellite and then after resend the message या information and carry the message या information from this phone line and this phone line send the message from the modem and this modem has reconvert the message from digital signal to the analog signal and this analog signal has display the message to the monitor. So this is the monitor. So this monitor has display the message to the monitor screen. So this is the process for dial-up connection. Then after we will understand how can we establish a dial-up connection to your personal computer. So first we will open the control panel. So how can we open? So first we will go to this start button and then after here this is the control panel. So control panel and then after we will go to the network and sharing center. So this is the network and sharing center. So we will click this net icon. After that we will go to this setup a new connection or network. So we will click this link. So after that one window will be appear. So in this window we will click this setup a dial-up connection. So we will select this button. So here we will simply click this icon set up a dial-up connection and then after we will click this next button. After that one window will be appear. So here we will fill some information about dial-up phone number and here this is the username and this is the password. So we will type these information to the text field. After that we will press the connect button. So after that the dial-up connection has completed. So here I have filled some information like this. Then after here username infant, then password whatever your choice. Then after simple press the connect button. So after that this setup has completed. Then after your computer has established a dial-up connection. So thanks for watching this video.